Hey guys, today I'm going to explain how to change icon image in MFC. So for that I'm taking new project here. MFC, select MFC application and give a name sample 2. Next, click on dialog box, uncheck about box. Next, here we have two applications, application class and dialog class, two classes. Click on finish. So delete this one. Now I will show what how the existing icon image will appear. Save, build. Okay, success. Run the application. Here you can see the default icon image. So now I will try to change this one. We don't need to write any code here. Just we need to modify the settings. It's very easy. For that we need an ICO file. I will download one ICO file. Okay. Download any JPEG image and convert that JPEG image into ICO file because our Visual Studios will take only ICO files. And give a name image. Okay. Now convert this image into ICO file. Okay, downloaded successfully. Uh, Now go to Solution Explorer, go to RC file, right click on RC file and go to view code, click on yes. Here you can see frame window code, complete frame window code. Here we have our default buttons, OK, cancel, here you can see, and the file version, and we have created this project name with the name sample2, and this is .exe also will generate here, and these are the margins. Here you can see this icon. Copy this line. Okay. Open project here. Open file. Now we need to delete the existing image here, and we need to replace with the new image, new ICO file. So that I am searching the old ICO image. Here you can see this is the existing one. Now I am deleting this one. right click on the image what you have downloaded, and ICO image, right? This is also JPEG. Image.ico. This is the file. Copy this image and place it here. So what we have done is we have deleted the existing ICO image and we have replaced it with the new image. Now copy this image name. Don't try to write, just copy it and rename here, just paste it, image.ico. Now save, compile and run. Here you can see the existing image has changed, and if you see this taskbar, this image also reflected with the same. That's it, guys. I think hope you all understood. The same thing will work in all IDEs. Like now I have done this work in 2008, Visual Studios 2008. Same thing will works in 2015, 19 and 20 also. Try once try. If you have any doubts, please comment. Thank you.